Small A.
Amma episode.
Yeah, good morning, Marudwin. Yeah, good morning.
Ma'am.
Very good. Next is jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Ja.
இந்த பக்கம் உல்டாவா போட்டுருக்கோம். இது வந்து இப்படி போகணும்.
Good morning, Mahini. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning, Keshav. Take your slate and write alphabet from A to P, Keshav. Next is kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
கக்கு அதுக்கு என்ன வரும்? அது எழுது. அது எழுது ஃபர்ஸ்ட். கே கக்கு கே எப்படி எழுதணும்? ஸ்மால் கே. Standing line.
Excuse me, ma'am. Small letter or capital letter?
Yeah, small letters, not capital letters.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Disha. Next is
Ma'am,
lollipop. We lick the lollipop. We lick the lollipops.
Yes, தெரியும். இங்க
Good.
really.
Next is mom and the dad make many meals. என்ன எழுதுங்க?
ஆமா இதான் எல்லு. என்ன சொல்லுங்க? ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் மாதிரி
Maton.
இப்போ அப்பப்போ அப்படியே அப்பப்போ போய் எடுக்கக்கூடாது.
Good. Finish. Next is yeah, good Visha. Next is here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane.
எழுது என்ன எழுது சும்மா ஸ்டாண்டிங்.
Here the aeroplane.
ஸ்மால் என்.
Yeah, good Makesh. Good Makitri. Very good Visha. Very good. Next is time for bed, the lights go on. Time for bed, the lights go off. Yeah. The sound itself, you have the letter. Good. Very good. Next is puff for the candles on the pink big cake. என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? What letter you will write? Good Mahini, good. Sukreep, good. Very good, Sukreep. Following the line, very good Finished. Everyone finished? Yes, very good. Very good, Mitra. A to P, very good. Ananya, write from A to P, small letters. Finish writing it. A, B, C, D. Very good, Visha. And so my arm. Come on. Write one by one. No capital letters, Ananya. Small letters. Good morning, Varsha. Varsha, take your slate and write from A to P, ma, small letters.
Good morning.
குட் மார்னிங். ஒரு நிமிஷம் எப்படி சொல்றாங்க
Yeah, good
சொல்ல.
morning, ma.
அப்படி சொல்லு. டி போடு. டி எழுது.
Good morning, Madhuvanti. Everyone take your slate. Write small letters from A to P. Why Jason is crying? Why, ma? Mummy, morning itself you bet him, ma.
He wrote wrongly, ma'am, so said him.
Okay, erase and write, ma, Jason. Don't cry. Everyone will make mistakes. Don't cry. Come on, erase and write. You're such a good boy. Why do you cry?
பண்ண முடியும்.
Okay, ma'am will write and show it to you. Yeah, ma'am will write. Yeah,
பண்ணியாதான்
wait for
இருக்கும். அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். அம்மா சொல்லித்தரேன். ஓகே.
chalk piece. What letter you don't know, ma, Jason?
He's writing, ma'am. He did not write properly, so I said.
Okay.
Kaluna.
Okay, from A to P, ma'am is also going to write, okay? First is A. Curve, go up and come down in the same line. A. B. C. D, how will you write? Standing line and a back side curve. D. E. F. G. H.
எழுது.
I.
அடுத்து ஏ கத்தி எழுது.
A.
ஸ்மால் லெட்டர்ஸ் தான்.
A. L. M. N. O. P. Okay, fine. If you don't know, you can look at it and write. By the time parents let them write in the slate, I want you to take their English notebook and just the underlined letters alone you don't write in their notebook, just put a blank there. Write in their notebook the letters which I have underlined, don't write it. Just put a blank there. They will write the missing letters in their English notebook. English notebookல இந்த காப்பி பண்ணி கொடுங்க. அண்டர்லைன் பண்ண லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் எழுதாதீங்க. That the children will write. Underline letters alone, don't write parents. Those are the missing letters which your child is going to write. Write it in your English notebook. Copy it in the English notebook, not in the slate. ருத்வின் அம்மா கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர்ஸ் காப்பி பண்ணி கொடுங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.
மேம் இப்ப குடுத்துறவா இல்ல நீங்க அப்புறம் சொல்வீங்களா மேம்?
இல்ல இப்ப காப்பி மட்டும் பண்ணி வைங்க. They are writing in their slate, no?
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am.
We'll do this and keep it ready. After the session start, we'll do.
Okay ma'am, okay.
மதுவந்தி பாட்டி இங்கிலீஷ் நோட்ல காப்பி பண்ணி கொடுங்க. நான் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிருக்கிறத எழுதாதீங்க. அத டேஷ்னு போட்டு வைங்க. அத மதுவந்தி எழுதுவா. ஓகேங்களா? Very good, Hazel. I've written perfectly, Hazel. Very good. Give a high five to your mama. High five to your mama. Very good. The credit goes to Hazel's mom. Very good.
Thank you.
Very nice, Ananya. Good, right? Come on. P. Till P you have finished?
Please, ma'am.
Good. Keshav also beautiful handwriting, Keshav. Very good. But if you have to see Keshav, F from the red line to white line. F follow the line for F letter, okay? Finished copying it, parents?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children, we'll start the session. Come on, today Keshav is going to say Kidzi Anthem. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, everyone. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. What, Mama Hilmi?
மகி ஏன் எந்திரிக்க மாட்டீங்க சொல்லுங்க கிட்ஸி அந்த சொல்றாங்க
Stand up, Mahini. Join your hands and close your eyes. Keshav will say Kidzi Anthem. Ready, Keshav?
சொல்லுங்க
Kidzi Anthem. Hmm. You are within me. Hmm. Hmm. Beneath my flight, you define me. Today I pledge
With all my might, I judge you, my potential.
very good. Well done. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, very good morning to everyone. Okay, come on. Bring your table or chair. Today we are going to learn the position words. Bring your table or chair, whatever is near you. Come on. Table or chair, anything, grab it. Ready? Okay. Today we are going to learn position words. Okay. Sit on the chair. Stand up, all of you. First, don't sit down. First, stand up, all of you. Stand. Come outside. Stand up. Stand near the chair. Okay. So, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair or table. On another, see, this is a mouse. And here it's a table. Sit on the chair. Na mouse chair மேல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு on the table. Okay? Yes? Now go under the chair. Under. Under means under the table or chair. See here now the mouse is under. Under na என்னது டேபிளுக்கு அடியில போகணும் சேருக்கு அடியில போகணும். That is under. Fine, good. Very good. Under, over. Okay. Now stand behind the chair. Behind na என்னது பின்னாடி நிக்கணும். The table will be in front of you and you have to stand behind the chair or table. Behind. Behind na pinnadi. Very good. Hazel, keep the table down. Behind. Now stand in front of the chair or table. In front of. Munnadi. In front of. Na front la vandu nikkanum. No, Madhuvanti, get down. That is not in front of. Chair ku munnadi nikkanum. I told stand. I didn't say sit. I said stand in front of the chair. See, where is the mouse standing? It is standing in front of the table. Right? Like that, stand in front of the table. Now go far away from the table. Far. Far na doorama ponum. Far. Next. Come near the table or chair. Near. Okay, once again, sit in the chair. Sit on the chair, come on. Sit on the chair. On. On na mela ukkaranum. On, very good. Now get down. Go under the chair. Under. Under na enga ponum? Chair ku adiyila ponum. If you are not able to go, it's okay, no problem. Now come out. Now stand behind the chair. Behind. Behind. Very good. Come in front of the chair. In front of. In front of. Very good. Go far away from the chair. Go far away from the chair. Come near the chair. Near. Very good. Well done. Super. Very good. All of you sit in your chair. If you want to go drink water and come, drink and come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma, Radhyani. It's too late, Radhyani. Why? Dashwan. Dashwan. Absent. Hazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel. Jason.
How are you, ma'am?
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani. 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 Okay, I'm marking you, Radhyani. Rudvin.
Yeah.
Very good, Rudvin. Sarah. 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 Absent. Okay. Ananya. Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Oh, okay. Mahirni.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Mitra.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma Mitra. Taruneshwar.
Ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Absent. Madhuvanti.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Madhvanti. Thank you.
Ma'am, Radiani is.
Radhyani, I called and I marked her.
Okay, ma'am. It's.
Okay, children. Yesterday we learned healthy food and unhealthy food. Yes or no? So what are all the healthy food? What are all the healthy food? Edala healthy food. Come on, tell me.
Apple, banana,
Apple, banana. Ah. Okay, now I'm going to ask you. Yeah, very good. Now I'm going to ask you, what are all the unhealthy food? What are the unhealthy food? Unhealthy. Not at all healthy. What are the food? Ice cream, chocolate, biscuit. All these are unhealthy food. Very good. Yeah, well done, children. All these are unhealthy food. Okay. Now come and take your plate and now we are going to draw shapes. Okay, I'm going to tell you the shapes. You are going to draw the shapes. Come on, take your slate. Ready? First shape is triangle. Draw the triangle.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Now, how many sides does it have, children?
Triangle. Three.
Count the sides. How many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. How many sides does it have? See here. This is a triangle. Now count the sides. How many sides are there in a triangle? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides, has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, like a pizza slice. Have you seen a pizza slice? Like that it is, right? Okay, this is here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now next is draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Rectangle. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Rectangle. Now count how many sides are there in a rectangle. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there? Yeah, 4 sides. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Come on, show me how have you drawn rectangle. Show me a slate rectangle. Very good, Barsha. Good. No, Radhyani, it looks like a square. Very good, Jason.
Paint it and do wrong.
Very good, Hazel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Okay. Now draw a circle. Now draw a circle. Can you see any sides in this circle? ஏதாவது sides தெரியுதா பாயிண்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி 1 2 3 ன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி can you see any sides? No, a circle has no sides. Circle sides கிடையாது. இங்க எங்கயாவது sides இருக்கா? Everything is equal. See here, you cannot find out where it is starting and where it is ending. Okay, but for a triangle you can see 3 points here. Here you can see a joint, here one joint, here one joint, right? But for a circle you cannot see any joint. So it has no sides. Circle க்கு யாராவது sides இருக்கான்னு கேட்டா what will you say? You should say circle has no sides. Okay? Okay, now next shape is oval. Draw a oval. Draw an oval. How does an oval look? Very good.
Egg.
Oval. Yeah, you can erase and draw, no issues. I'm not telling you should draw all the shapes in the same side. You can erase and draw. Oval.
Owl.
Very good. Oval shape la enna irukum? What will be there in oval shape? What are all in oval shape? Come on, tell me. Think and tell me what is in oval shape.
Egg.
Egg. Very good.
Whoa.
Then
outlook.
what all will be in oval in shape?
Join item சொல்லிடலாம்.
Egg, mirror, கண்ணாடி வீட்ல இருக்கா? It will be in oval shape. Yes. And then ice cream. If you buy an ice cream, a box ice cream, that lid, the shape of that lid will be oval in shape. Then what all will be in oval shape? That's it, huh? Okay, let's move on to the next shape. Semicircle. Let me see how many of you remember semicircle. Semicircle, how will you draw a sleeping line? When you divide a circle into two, you get a semicircle. Okay, easy way to draw a semicircle is draw a circle. First circle varanjittu, you divide the circle into two. Circle 2 divide பண்ணிடுங்க. This part you erase it. Becomes a semicircle. Yes? Semicircle. What shape is this? What shape is this, Varsha? Varsha, what shape is this? Semicircle. Very good. Okay, next is the heart shape. Heart. How will you draw a heart? Like M. And then you join the end. That's it. First write like M. We'll write M, no? Letter M. And then you join like this. This end and this end you join it. Heart shape. Good, Jason. Keshav. M mari potu, you just join it. That's it. Heart. Very good, Taruneshwar, Visha. Ananya finished. Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Somehow you managed to make a heart shape. Sukriv, ma'am சொல்றது அப்படியே பண்ணுவீங்களா? Okay, fine. Good, good. Yes, very good, Rudvin. Well done, good. Okay, next is the diamond shape. Very good, children. Diamond. How will you draw a diamond? See here. Like this. And then like this. Have you seen a kite? Have you seen a kite? How the kite will be? What is the shape of the kite? It is diamond shape. Okay. If you draw a kite itself, it is diamond shape only, children. Convert it into a kite. Very good, Keshav. First, draw a diamond shape like this. And then draw a thread. Good. Good, Marudvin. Mahirini, very good. This is diamond shape. What shape is it? Very good, Ma. Supreet. Diamond shape.
Go.
Diamond. Well done. Very good. Finished all of you?
Balloon.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Keep your slates down, children. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Wonderful. Keep the slate down. Okay, yesterday we learned unhealthy food and healthy food. Today we are going to learn milk products. Milk products. What do you know what is milk, right? You know what is milk? Morning, when you get up early in the morning, few of you will have milk, right? So today we are going to see what are the materials we get out of milk. Milk and milk products, okay? Milk products. Okay, today's concept is milk products. Milk na another paal. You know what is milk, okay? Paal lerunda enna kedaikudunu we are going to see. Milk products. This is milk. Okay? What is this? Anyone knows what is this? Huh?
Cheese.
What is it? Cheese. Very good.
Cheese.
Cheese. Have you seen Tom and Jerry? That Jerry will run after the cheese. Have you seen? Cheese. Okay? Next is, oh my God. Paneer. Very good. Full and full. It's made out of milk. Paneer. Okay? Next, curd. Who are the curd? Curd is Tayir Sadam. Tayir Sadam, Mummy will give you, right? Curd rice, Tayir Sadam. So this is curd. Next is butter. Butter, you apply it in the bread. Yes, butter. So these are milk products, full and full milk products. Okay, milk, cheese, paneer, curd, butter. So all these are milk products. Okay. So today's worksheet is also based on that. I want you to take worksheet number D48 CT. D48 CT. Here you are going to tick the milk products. Whatever milk products you saw now, tick the milk products. Before that, write today's date. Today's date is, what is today's date? Who will tell me? What is today's date? 1. Very good. Today's date is 1 month of August month is over. This is month of September. So you will change the month also. 1 dash. Last yesterday and all we wrote 8 here. Today we are going to write 9 here. 1 9.
It's my first day of school.
First day of school.
Okay. And the day is Wednesday. 1 9 2021. 2 1 21. 9 is month of September. Today's date is 1. Keshav, what are all the milk products here, Keshav?
Curd.
Curd, very good. Curd. Then milk. Here in a bottle you have milk. Then and you have cheese. You don't have cheese here. You have paneer here. Can you see?
Paneer.
Yeah. Milk, curd and paneer. Full and full milk products. One you tick mark, children. Other products you don't tick it. writes only milk, curd, paneer. These 3 items only you have to take it. Finished? Next worksheet is D50CT. 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 First worksheet was D48. After that only it will be D50. Yes, Jason, come on, answer, Jason. Jason,
What is this?
Milk.
look at the screen, ma, Jason. First answer, ma'am, then you can do it, okay? Come on, first is cheese slice. Where is cheese slice?
Circle cheese slice.
First, where is the cheese slice? You do no need to do the worksheet. First, see where is cheese slice.
Cheese slice
First,
மேம்
the
ஸ்கிரீன்ல
worksheet.
எது இருக்குன்னு சொல்லு. ஃபர்ஸ்டா, செகண்டா, தேர்டா, ஃபோர்த்தா?
Fourth, very good.
மேம் பண்றது வெயிட் பண்ணு. நீ அப்புறம்
Next is Mahini. Very good, Jason. Next is Mahini.
மகிழ் இங்க பாரு மேம்.
Curd.
கேர்ட் எங்க இருக்கு?
Curd எங்க இருக்கு? Where is curd, Mahini?
கேர்ட் எங்க? தொட்டு காட்டுங்க மகிழ். அங்க கேர்ட் எங்க காட்டுங்க? கேர்ட் எங்க இருக்கு?
Curd. Where is curd?
கேர்ட் அது இல்ல. கேர்ட் எங்க இருக்கு? தயிர் எங்க இருக்கு?
First one, second one, third one, or fourth one?
செகண்ட் ஒன்.
Yeah, good. Curd. Very good.
அப்ப என்ன
Next,
பண்ணு?
Varsha. Third one is milk. Where is milk, Varsha? First one. Very good. Visha, last one is butter. Where is butter?
பட்டர் எங்க பாப்பா இருக்கு? பட்டர் எங்க இருக்கு? அது என்ன நம்பர்ல இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 எந்த நம்பர்ல இருக்கு பட்டர்? நம்பர் சொல்லு. 2 3 சத்தமா சொல்லு. 3 நம்பர்.
Very good. Third one, butter. Good. Match it, children. Mahini, finish your worksheet. Come on, then you can play.
உட்கார். எந்திரி மேம் சொல்றாங்க.
Then no star. No star for Mahini today. Very good, children. Finished? Next will be your math worksheet, children. Number 33.
கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
D46 MT.
அடுத்து போயிட்டாங்க பாரு. 33 ல போயிட்டாங்க.
D46 MT.
கேர்ட் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. எழுதுற. மீக் எங்க இருக்கீங்க? மீக் எங்க இருக்கு? அது கனெக்ட் பண்ணு. இந்த மீக்கோட அது கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இங்க இருக்கு மீக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்.
D46 MT.
ஓகே.
Yes, how will you count here, children? Ladybugs, group of 10, 20, 30,
குரூப் ஆஃப் 10 எப்படி கவுண்ட் பண்றாங்க பாத்தீங்களா?
31, 32, 33,
லேடி பக் இதுதான்
20, 30, 31, 32, 33.
வெரி குட். லேடி பக். ஓகே.
Three, 33. Spell and write, children. 3, 3, 33. Three, 33. Spell and write. I want everyone to spell and write, children. Sukrit Gautam, what number you are writing?
இது என்னது?
இது என்ன நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க
3 2 30.
நல்லா சொல்லுங்க
3, 2.
3
3,
3 2 30.
நல்லா சொல்லுங்கம்மா
3, 2 is 32. But now what you are writing?
3
Sukrit. 3, 3.
இதெல்லாம் என்னது?
லேடி பக்ஸ் நீங்க சொல்லுமா
மாமா group of 10 group of 10 count பண்ணு.
சரி பண்ணு
Group of 10, group of 20, group of 30, 31, 32, 33.
ஆ
So what number you are writing?
2
3, 3, 33.
33.
சரி
இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாமா?
Naughty boy. Dashwan, what number you are writing? Dashwan and Kavi Kartika. Mitra, what number you are writing, Mitra?
3 3 33 man.
Very good. Madhvanti?
3 3 33. 3 3 33. 3 3 33.
Good. Finish. Well done, Varsha. Well done, Hazel. What number did you write, Hazel?
Hazel, what number is this? 2. Hey, this one.
3.
This.
3, 3.
Puchi vid 3 3 33.
Pucha.
Puchi.
Puchi. Okay, fine. Good. Very good, Ma. Madhvanti, good. Harsha, good. Madhvanti, good. Hazel, good. Visha finished. Very good. Very good, Mitra. Very good, Visha. Aruneshwar, finished?
No, ma'am, still writing, ma'am.
Right, right. Ananya, finished. Jason, very good, Jason. Keshav, very good. Yeah, good, ma. Those who are finished, I want you to take worksheet number D47LT. D47LT. You have O and P. Trace the letters O and P and match the picture accordingly. O for octopus and P for parrot. Papa parrot, octopus, match it and color it. Those who are finished can continue doing this worksheet. D47LT.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Maradhyani. Continue doing this sheet. First trace it and then you match it, children. O for octopus. Again here also you have another O. P for parrot. Color the octopus and parrot. D47LT. Mahini, finished your number worksheet?
Yet to finish, ma'am.
Next is D47LT. What, ma? Madhuvanti, finished the worksheet? Finished coloring? Finished coloring also, va?
Color now.
Color it. Taruneshwar, which worksheet you are doing, ma?
He's still writing number now. 33.
Number worksheet, huh?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, ma. Keshav. Good, nice. Very good, Mitra.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Who's this? Varsha.
Finished, ma'am.
Well done, Varsha. Who finished next?
Finished, ma'am.
Visha.
Finished, ma'am.
Visha finished. Very good, Visha.
இந்த கலரிங் ஷீட் என்ன பேஜ் நம்பர்? ஆக்டோபஸ்
D47 LT.
E47 LT.
ஓகே.
E47 LT.
Sukhdev Gautam.
கலர் பண்ணுங்க.
D47 LT. Octopus and parrot will be there. O for octopus, P for parrot. Match it and color it. Hazel, finish.
Finish.
Very good. Very good.
Finish.
Finish. Good. Jason also finish up. Good.
Everybody finish.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Why Hazel is hiding? Where is Hazel? Hazel is hiding near the sofa. I found her. Come back, Hazel. One more activity is there in the notebook. We didn't finish it, right?
கிரான்ஸ்ங்களா? இது கிரான்ஸ் பாத்தியா? இது கிரான்ஸ்ங்களா? கிரான்ஸ்ங்க பாப்பா கிரான்ஸ்ங்க.
Finish. You want me to share the screen?
Finish, man.
Still when you're doing that LT worksheet.
Finish the man.
என்ன கலர்?
Yes, very good, Maradhyani. Still who is doing?
மேம் என்ன கலர் மேம் ஆக்டோபஸ்?
Any color, pink or brown, any color you can give for octopus. Green color for parrot.
குட்.
Is there still anyone doing that octopus worksheet? Only Mahilini, huh?
Optimus Protect.
Others finish. Take your English notebook, children. Take your English notebook. Yes. Write the missing letters. Yes.
சாக்குக்கு தமிழ் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க?
ஃப்ராகா
சாக்குக்கு தமிழ்ல
ஷார்க்குக்கா திமிங்கலம். ஏ இருக்கா? இது என்ன லெட்டர்?
Okay, now how to do it? All of you listen here first. Then you can write it. Mute yourself. Everyone, those are unmuted, please mute yourself. Dharneshwar, mute yourself, ma. Okay, first look here, all of you. This is missing letters. Why do we say it as missing letters? Yeah, missing letters in solron. See here in between, many letters are missing. Kanam pochu. Okay, so what we should do? We have to find out what is that letter and we are going to fix it. Okay, now first is you have A. A after A kapra enna varum? What will come? Come on, answer. B. Right? B. Yes, it is the B letter. Okay. Next, see here first. Listen, children. Then you can write. Okay. The way how you should find out the missing letter. Okay. A, B. No one should write. Put your pencils down. First, ma'am will finish it for you. Keep your pencils down. All of you listen first. Many of you know the sequence of alphabets, I know, but few of you, you don't know how to identify the missing letter. So for that, everyone should listen. Don't write now. Right? Okay? A, B, C. What will be the next letter? Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, சொன்ன பேச்சே கேக்குறதில்ல மதுவந்தி. What I'm telling you, I told you not to write. Just the opposite in all the classes you are doing. I don't know what to do. D. Very good, Mitra. D. A, B, C, D, E. What will be the next letter? Very good. Okay, now from the next line itself, we'll see. No need to see from the first line. Second line. E, F, G. Good. Okay. E, F, G, H, I. What will be the next letter? Okay, very good, Hazel. Yay.
ஆமாம்மா அதுக்கப்புறம்
Now the next line. K, K. After K, what will come? K kapra enna varudhu? Very good, Mitra. K, L, M. Next letter is O. So, very good. N. K, L, M, N, O. Next letter is like this. In the sequence, you have to say, you have to repeat and see. Okay, then only you will find out the missing letter. Few of you will not know. Dash dash னு போட்டுருக்கு. ஐக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்னு கேட்டா உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. So what is the method that you should learn? சொல்லி பார்க்கணும். A ல இருந்து சொல்லி பார்க்கணும். சொல்லி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will get that letter, missing letter. Okay, now come on, do it in your notebook. Do it in your notebook. A, B, C. Next letter is D. சொல்லி பார்த்து எழுதணும். Very good, Mitra. Well done, Mitra. What color saree you need, Mitra?
White color, ma'am.
White I don't have, Mitra. Any other colors? White and blue I don't have.
Madhuvanti, finish.
Wait, Madhuvanti. Yes, Mitra, what color saree you need?
Orange, ma'am.
Orange, yes. Orange star for Mitra. Yes, Madhuvanti. Yeah, welcome, ma. Madhuvanti, ma'am enna solrenu kekkanum Madhuvanti first. Okay, va, you yourself you should not do all the work. Then you will not learn what are the tricks to do the activity. Okay, va? Okay, fine. What color star you need?
Pink.
Pink. Pink star for Madhuvanti.
Thank you, ma'am. Pink, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav. Very good. What color star you need, Keshav?
Yellow color.
Yellow. Yellow star for Keshav. Welcome, Keshav. Yes, very good, Risha. What color star you need, Risha?
Orange color.
Orange color. Very good. Orange color.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Next, who else? Mahini, don't want star, சீக்கிரம் எழுதுங்க. Get the star.
B க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்?
Rainbow star எல்லாத்தையும் அந்த பாக்ஸ் அப்பதான் எனக்கு கலர்லாம் தெரியும்.
சரி எழுதுங்க, இது எழுதிட்டு பண்ணுங்க.
Next to finish. Ananya, very good. What color star you need, Ananya?
Purple.
Purple star for Ananya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. Next. Close your notebook. Ma'am is going to play the warm-up song. Come on, close the notebook. We'll finish with the warm-up song, okay?
மேம் சுக்ரீவ்க்கு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியல மேம் மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டர்ஸ்.
Sequence la sollu. இருங்க. Sukriv, your mummy is not complaining. First listen பண்ணுங்க. Don't cry. Sequence A, B, C, D னு சொல்லி சொல்லி தான் எழுதணும். That's what I told earlier. You also will not know. திடீர்னு ஒரு dash போட்டோம்னா என்ன வரும்னு தெரியாது. So what you should do, A, B, C னு சொல்லி பார்த்து எழுதணும் Sukriv. Okay? Yes? How ma'am identify the letters?
கரெக்ட்டா ஞாபகம் சொல்லிடுறாங்க ABCDEF னு. ஆனா அந்த மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டரை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியல.
அந்த ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி for example D letter இங்க இல்லன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. D letter is not here. How will you identify இங்க என்ன லெட்டர் வரும் சுக்ரீவ்? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? A B C அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல என்ன வரும்?
சொல்லுங்க.
A B C
பண்ணுவேன் அங்க பாருங்க.
Automatically D ன்னு சொல்வீங்களா? அப்ப டக்குன்னு D எழுதிடணும். Okay? Okay, you do it slowly. Take your own time. Slow-ஆ பண்ணுங்க. No need to rush up. When you are rushing it up, you will not learn anything. Slow-ஆ உட்கார்ந்து நீங்களே யோசிச்சு எழுதணும். Repeat it again and again. When you repeat and see only, you will get this missing letter. Okay, anyways, this will not come for your assessment, but we are just checking it whether their children are able to identify. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so please, slowly you do it. Okay, take your own time and do it. Don't cry.
I'm just
I don't like to keep crying, okay?
I'm just thinking in correct order, ma'am. கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லிடுறான். ஆனா ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றப்ப தான் அவன் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறான்.
Yeah, it takes time. நீங்க மெதுவா உட்கார வச்சு ஈவினிங் டைம்ல சொல்லி கொடுங்க. No problem.
Okay.
Hazel finish. Radhyani finish. What color star you need?
Finish, ma'am.
Hazel, what color star? Pink star for Hazel.
Radhyani asked that.
Yes, Radhyani, what color star you need? Radhyani or pink star? Pink star for Radhyani. Yes, next. Varsha, finish. What color star you need? What, ma? Pink.
No.
Pink. Welcome. Okay, next. Dharneshwar, what color star you need? Yesterday only I told you I don't have white and blue. Again and again you are asking the same color. Instead of blue, where ஏதாவது? Purple color. Purple. Okay. Sukriv, Gautam, what color star you need?
கொடுப்பாங்க எழுதாடி கொடுப்பாங்க.
What color star Sukriv needs? Sukriv என்ன color star வேணும்? White. Sukriv, mom. In the session, Yara is not complain about Sukriv.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do, stay after the session and say.
Okay.
Sukriv, okay, ma'am will give you what color star? Green color star.
Green.
Green வேண்டாம்.
என்ன
வேற
கலர்?
என்ன வேணும்?
சே அப்பல கோச்சிக்க கூடாது. இங்க வா.
Okay, fine. Warm up activity பண்ணலாமா? Rudvin, what color star you need? Rudvin க்கு என்ன color star வேணும்? Pink. Okay. Next, Kavikartika, what color star you need? Kavikartika, she's not there. Okay, children, all of you stand up. Let ma'am play the warm up song. Stand up. Stand up, all of you. Get up. Stand up. Sukriv, Gautam.
Ma'am, green color he needs, ma'am. Darla, can you show please?
Huh?
Green color star he needs. Can you show, ma'am? Thank you.
Yes, Jason, what kind of star you need, Jason? I forgot Jason. Where is Jason? Jason, what kind of star you need, ma? Oh, today 2 times you tried already. Why, Jason? Sorry, Jason, ma'am. Sorry, Jason. Okay, what kind of star you need? You tell me. Sorry.
சரி பண்ணலாம்.
He didn't finish,
He is not able to do small J, so he is crying.
Yeah, easy only. And the
But
girl.
he is not following.
Jason is not. You can keep dots and sorry. Mummy dots வச்சு தருவாங்க அழாதீங்க.
கேளு.
Purple star. Okay? Don't cry. Fine? Okay, come on. First we'll finish the warm-up activity. Come on. Get up, we'll dance and then you write. Okay? Yes? Come on, stand up. Good boy. Don't cry.
What's going on? Ding, ding. Racing. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Break it.
Yes, very good, all of you. Yes, thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, bye, everyone. Bye, Lisa. Bye, Sudeep. Bye-bye.